Got a Canon EF 24-105 4L IS lens, and the problem with this is there's mold in the middle of the lens on this particular optic, which sits over here, and it's just one spore spot. Right up there. So I have to pull this whole part where the aperture unit sits in. I have to pull this apart to get to that so I can clean it. I'll give it a bit of clean and see how it looks. That cleaned up really well. We'll give the other optics a clean as well. But that should do. Put it all back together and give it a test. Got the lens back together, just the front optic behind the front element. Some light on that and have a look. There's some marks inside. There's one over there. So I'm going to pop this front optic off and give it a clean and see if it cleans up well. Got a few marks on there. That one there, that one there. There's one there. So I'll give this a clean and see how it turns out. Cleaned it up and I can't even tell where it is, where it was, I guess. Looks pretty clean. Pop that on the body and have a better look at it. Got that back on and it looks really good. Almost like new. Can't see any spots or specks in there anymore. The whole lens is nice and clean. I'll test it now, make sure it's nice and sharp and it pulls focus and all the functions and features work on it, and it'll be good to go. Works perfect.